Hello Internet! Today I have communication board from gimbal with ripped USB connector. Client tried to solder it but had no luck. This is the old connector. And this one I want to put in. Let's start with removing old solder. I am out of smaller braid and I am struggling with this monstrosity. I spent way too much time for cleaning solder from the holes. Of course you don't want to leave old burnt flags. After cleanup we can see what's left. New connector doesn't have through-hole pins at the back, so I'm scraping the place for new mounting points. I also want to scrape the traces for soldering new wires. I want to use wire to recreate the paths. You always want to clean the old flags. After soldering we can cut them to right length. Securing the wires with UV solder mask makes soldering connectors way easier. You don't have to worry about wires moving around. First thing, you want to solder the connector body. And then just tag the pins. Just remember to clean the flags. We can do the solid test.
Solid. Solid.
Solid.
Solid.
Solid.
Cleaning the flags. I think this should hold for some time. Thanks for watching and see you next time.